Hey guys, Dr. Andy here. Today I want to show you something new that we have incorporated in the office, and that is using laser for our neck pain and our mid-back pain patients, especially our patients that are coming in due to computer use or a lot of texting. I'm sure you've seen all of us, we're walking around with our head down like that, with our thumbs typing away on our little phones, right? That stresses the heck out of the muscles of the neck, across the top of the shoulder blades, and then in between the shoulder blades as well, okay? So the reason why the laser works so well for this is it's going to help kill pain, it's going to help the muscles relax, but most importantly, it's going to get an increase of blood flow and an increase of oxygen to this area. Let me explain why that's so important, okay? Tech neck, right, or text neck, caused by playing all day on our phone or sitting there so long at our computer, is a postural stress or a repetitive stress injury. So our head comes forward like this, stresses, just like that, stresses all of these joints and all of these muscles out, right? When we have this type of an injury, there's nothing physically damaged, meaning that the muscles are not torn, there's no kind of damage or any kind of trauma directly into them. Instead, the vast majority of the pain is being driven because we have a loss of blood flow to the area and a loss of oxygen. So one of the really cool things that a laser can do is it causes vasodilation. What that means is just a fancy way of saying that it opens up the blood vessels so we can get more blood to the area. And then secondly, it tells the blood, the red blood cells, to drop off all of the oxygen. So we just get a huge dump of blood and oxygen to the area wherever we are lasering, which is super useful for this type of an injury, okay? So let me show you how it looks. It looks pretty darn cool. I do have to wear my cute goggles. There we go. You as the patient, you are just going to feel like you are sitting on a beach in the middle of July on a nice Florida beach. What you're going to feel is just a sensation of heat. And that's because that's what it is. This is a laser after all. It's a class 4 laser. It's different from class 1, 2, or 3. Class 1, 2, or 3 is what we would call a cold laser, which means that you don't feel any heat at all, and that's because it simply isn't powerful enough. This is a class 4 laser. You can kind of just think, therefore, it's just a little bit more powerful, or in this case, a whole lot more powerful. And you are going to feel some nice warm heat like it's sunshine. Perfect. Just like that. And we're going to make sure that we get both sides of the neck. We're going to go across the top of the shoulder blades, and we'll even go in between the shoulder blades as well. And you just have to keep it moving so it doesn't get too warm. Okay. Treatment typically lasts anywhere from about 5 to 10 minutes. And we do it sometimes if it's an acute problem, then it's about 4 to 6 treatments. If it's longer, if it's been going for a long time, typically we'll do about 8 to 10 visits. Hopefully you found this information useful. If you have any questions, send them my way, and always remember to live with passion, not pain.